Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Wise money to bank account. So first of all you have to just go to this Wise website here. This is basically Transferwise, and here you have to log in into your account. Now on the left side you will see a lot of option. Here you can see this is recipient option, right? Under below this is a payment option. Now here you have to select your balance. So on the TransferWise dashboard, select the currency balance from which you want to transfer money. Click on the send or transfer button to start a new transfer, right? It's very easy thing to do. For example, I want to transfer money to this person, right? So I will just select, I can also enter that email address too. If I just click on add recipient, I will get an option to select the currency. For example, I want to transfer from my currency to USDT. Now here I will get an option to enter bank details. So for example, if you have a username or email address, you can also select that. But to enter your bank details, you can just select this one, right? So depending upon that requirement, I have selected this person account and I will just click on send. Now here you have to enter the amount. For example, it's 1000 euro. It's from my debit card, and if I just click on continue, the amount will be sent to this person bank account. So this is how you can just transfer money from your Wise account to any bank account, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.